Hello, welcome back. And if you take a look on the screen here, you can see we've made quite a step here, and you can see we've placed a secondary member there and a secondary member there. Now, one thing I want just to show you here, you can see the connection here of the secondary beam is not right placed. It's supposed to be linking up with the secondary beam on top here, so that when we create a connection, it should be accurately connected to the upper one, but that should not worry you. Now, what you want to do now, prior to giving it an offset on the other end, we want to select everything and take it to the right position. Take everything to the right position. So I'm going to select all these. I'm going to press Control and select this, and select that. Press Control and select every member that we intend to copy or move up. Now, once we've selected everything, I'm going to press Control W and take it up like that. Now, once I've done so, I'm going to give it a mirror command to copy the same components on the other end. Now, once I've done so, I'm going to right-click and come to Special Copy here and pick on Mirror. So once I've picked on Mirror, I want to define my mirror line right in the middle here. A mirror line will be right in the center of this member and to the place you intend to copy this. So the middle point would be this from this end to this end, or on grid C here. Now I'm going to define my mirror point from that spot to this spot. Once I'm placed on that way, this is my mirror, and this will be mirrored on the end, or will be copied on the other end. So if I go here and click Run, everything I've selected will be copied on the other end. So if I right click and hold my mouse and move my mouse like that, I'll be able to see that I've copied everything on this far end. So if I click on empty screen, I'll be able to deselect everything. And another thing I'm going to copy this member, this one here, these members here. I'm going to select on that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy it right at the center here. So I'll right click once again and come to Special Copy and pick on Mirror. So once I've done so, I'm just going to snap either the center there to this midpoint here, because it's exactly where I intend to place it, and snap there and come here and invoke or authorize or activate or give an OK to copy command and click OK. Once I've done so, I'll be able to see I have my member in place, already copied right there. Let me turn it, and there we are. Everything is in its right place. Now the next thing remaining is just to create connection. So the next thing also, we have to copy this right to the center here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select on it. Once I've selected on it, I'm going to apply the same command or apply the same procedure that I've used to copy this member to the right, to the center there. So I'm going to select this member, right click and come to Special Copy here right away and pick on Linear. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to snap right at the center there, then come and snap right there. Just to define, we are copying by distance. That is the command the command we're using. Though there are other ways you can use to copy. So in this option we are using copy by distance. So we have to define the distance, which is 4 meters, and I'll snap there. So once I've defined my distance, I'm going to give it an OK by clicking copy. So once I've clicked copy, that member will be placed right there. So I have these already defined in place. So the part remaining is just to create connection between these secondary members here. You can see that member and that member, and this member here. So I think that let's share that on the next presentation. I've just showed you some few commands on how you can copy, and on the end you can mirror that. There's another option, you can apply copy. Copy can also just select on this, then right click and come to Special Copy and come to Mirror, or come to Linear. Then you can just use the XYZ and then add the counts. You can also copy like that, and that's another option of using copy by distance. So we have this in place. So let's meet then on the next presentation, where we'll be creating connection between these secondary members. Let's meet then, and don't forget to have a try on COMOSYS and enjoy the most friendly user interface of COMOSYS, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, a very educative channel on various software, especially this time is strictly COMOSYS, and maybe Tekla structure will be touching bit by bit. So let's meet then. Bye bye.